Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to the new project. So, 1999 TD5. So, quick walk round. Just started having a look. So, loads to do. New panels here, new panels here. Doors are knackered, need replacing. Engine sounds pretty good. So, got some pieces inside, unfortunately, a bit of wrecked dashboard there. Some other bits and pieces. Got a winch on the front. Not sure about all of this stuff in the back there. Lining seen better days. Roof probably leaks, although I can't really see much sign of that. But what has it got? It's got heated seats. It's got heated mirrors. It's got about it. No, it's got the winch on the front, snorkel, as you can see. Pretty solid throughout, really. One bit passion to do underneath. That is up there, which I'm just cleaning up now. Gonna cut that out and patch that up. Looks like it's had a patch there, which I'm just tidying up. But everything else seems pretty solid. Yeah, so this is just, I've started scraping this off. Going to give this a clean up with a wire brush, and then I'll give it a coat. I've ordered a service kit in from LR Parts. Spoke to Ronnie at YRM earlier because it needs a couple of P-post sorting, and he's advised me that we can obviously just get away with the bottom part. It's gone there, so it comes up to about here somewhere. Yeah, cut them out and push the new ones on and weld the new bits in. Doors are knackered, as I said. This is, I don't know, something to do with that sound system by the looks of it. So I've got to strip it all down. That doors are knackered. That's okay, but it's got a new Puma door on the back. But whoever fitted it is it was something well they've done there, but obviously it's a bit of a nightmare, so I'm gonna have to take all this off and knock all that out. This just needs to tidy up. It's got LED lights all round. This looks a bit manky, but nothing that can't be cleaned up. Bit what's going on here, probably just needs clean. It's probably not been taken off and not been had anything underneath it. Windows are a bit, you know, sort of purling up. I've got a new set of these. But the newer version, without the rubber in here, they bonded in. So I'm going to have them out, and that obviously needs new Alpine seals putting in. So yeah, so the tidy up and the thing begins. First thing to do though is MOT. So MOT wise, we need a new handbrake cable. This one is either stretched or whatever, but it's certainly not pulling up the handbrake anymore. Bit of a strange one this actually, because according to the system, this particular handbrake goes up to 1990 something, but it certainly isn't for a 99, which is what this one is. But this is the one that was on it, so not quite sure what's happened there. But headlights, dip to main beam doesn't work, so it's probably the switch. So I've ordered a replacement one of those. I've ordered a service kit, and that's it. a wheel bearing. I've got to jack up and check one of the wheel bearings, the driver's side wheel bearings. Might just need nipping up, it's got a bit of movement on it. But I'll check these. Look at these tyres, these wheels. I'm going to get rid of these. Nice, but I don't think it gives it a particularly comfortable drive. That's my personal view. It just seem a bit too, probably great for off-roading. But I don't know, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll leave them on. They do certainly look the part and give them a clean up and that, and they probably look fantastic. Nice big heavy duty winch on the front. Could probably do with a couple of spots on it if you're going to keep this. And obviously this can be rubbed down and resprayed. This bull bar, that is. Serious bit of kit, that, isn't it? So yeah, so all these bits and pieces there. So just want to give you a quick look. The new project is sitting on the drive. And Hugo is sitting underneath there, and I am got the roof left to do, and then the interior, i.e. Carpets in the back, and finish off the electrics on the dash. But that's pretty much it. That's done. That can then go in for MOT itself. Not that it needs one because it's too old, but I'm going to put one in. So that's it anyway. This door was replaced, completely knackered. It's just there to have a door in it really. But that's where we're at. So yeah, great times, good times. I'm sure what's going on with this. Looks like something's been put on and it's starting to peel off. A bit crappy. Try and clean that up. But yeah, so that's where we're at. So yeah, just to bring up the speed. Okay. Happy days. So yeah, I'll let you know as we get on and with both of them, and until the next one.